Ideal replacement. This park assist camera directly replaces a damaged or faulty original equipment camera for a dependable repair. Durable construction. This park assist camera features a high-quality, wide-angle lens for clear resolution and additional electronics protection for reliability in harsh conditions. Direct installation. This parking camera plugs into the vehicle's wiring using a factory-style connector. Quality tested. This park assist camera has undergone try-on, on-vehicle, and salt spray testing to ensure quality fit and durability. Ensure fit. To make sure this part fits your exact vehicle, input your make, model and trim level into the garage tool. This park assist camera matches the fit and function of the original equipment camera. A high-resolution, wide-angle lens provides excellent visibility, and a protective coating on the electronics ensures reliability under harsh conditions. This part is compatible with the following vehicles. Before purchasing, enter your vehicle trim in the garage tool to confirm fitment. Top reviews from the United States. Upside-down image fixed. Backup camera on my 2013 Edge suddenly inverted its image. With a upside-down picture, we hesitated on purchasing a new backup camera with very little information on this failure on the web. The OEM camera is over $400. Purchasing this one is the cheapest alternative versus taking to the dealership. We saved hundreds. Camera installation was easy and IT worked as hoped. Picture corrected after install and camera lines are present. Definitely recommend the Dorman camera over the more expensive OE.